Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a very interesting topic that is convert function. It's very simple. So, for example, if I have a number, let's say 12, and I want to convert it into a specific unit, let's see how we can do that. Is equal to convert. That is the function. Now I want to convert this number. First, you have to provide the number and then choose what you want to do. For example, if I want to convert from, let's say, meters to feet, so meters. So let's see, where is meters? You have to search down there. M is the meters. So 12 meters, I want to convert to what? Now, when you write meter or you select meter, it will automatically show you multiple options which are related with meters. So how you can convert, for example, feet. I can convert it to feet. I will select feet, I will close the parenthesis, enter. So it is shown that 12 meter is converted into feet, and those are approximately 39.3 feet. Similarly, let's try it with hours. So let's assume that this is hour numbers. I want to see how many minutes are there. Let me see, this is hour, yes, HR, and then minutes, and then immediately shows me that what you want to see. I want to see minutes in this. So my question here is from Excel that how many minutes we have in these 12 hours. So there are a range of selections you can pick up and you can check the functionality and utilize it in your day-to-day life. I hope you enjoyed it, fellows. Do share your comments in the comment section. I'll come back with such easy and handy tips again. Till then, ciao, ciao.